Steak and shrimp scampi. What an easy twist on a perfect turf and surf. Strip steaks are the star of the show. This is just a seafood sauce that you've got to jump into. Let's get it started. First things first, we're starting with some high quality New York strip steaks. Look at the marbling in these. Now let's get these beauties seasoned. Fresh kosher salt, cracked pepper, both sides. I like to season the edges by picking up the errant salt and pepper from the sheet tray. Now just salt and pepper is all we need for these beauties. Nice and evenly seasoned, now we can get to the grill. This grill's super hot to develop a good sear. And while I'm at it, I'll work on some appealing grill marks. Just be patient to develop the marks, a minute or so, then rotate to get diamond marks. Another minute, then flip to work some diamonds on the other side. Okay, looking good, feels good. And rotate again and finish to medium or something close. Let them rest. And I pulled these at 115 degrees, knowing they'll continue to cook while resting up to about 125 degrees. Now for the shrimp. These are peeled, deveined, tail on, size 21-25. So coat them shrimps with a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and lay them on the hot grill. A quick sear here is all we're looking for to get a little flavor. For this super quick scampi sauce, we'll chop some fresh parsley, mince some garlic, 2 to 3 cloves, and zest a lemon to get ready. That's all it is. These 3 ingredients, super powerful, super fresh, is gonna go great with this shrimp and steak. Into the pan with 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is a preheated cast iron pan so I can hold the heat while building this rich sauce. Once the butter's nice and melted, we'll add the garlic, stir it around, and let it sizzle. Now don't brown it, just get it sizzling. Then we'll go in with the shrimp. Then in with the parsley and lemon zest. Now we're talking, almost done. Add a couple more tablespoons of butter and then the fresh lemon juice. Don't skip the fresh lemon juice. This is critical to a nice, bright, fresh flavor. Work that lemon juice into the butter to emulsify the best you can for a nice, smooth sauce. Let's serve it up. Steaks down, and then we'll place the shrimp on top. Then we'll pour that rich, garlicky lemon and parsley butter over the whole thing. Oh man, there we go. Turf with a little surf, super easy sauce. Well, let's have a combo bite. There it is. You've got this, super easy, land and sea at its finest. Be sure to press like and subscribe. Looking forward to having you again soon in the test kitchen.